I'm back up at the spot in Shazy, New York, where I'm in bortle 4 skies instead of the typical bortle 6 skies. I've got my 38mm eyepiece in the telescope, and I'm pointed in the constellation Triangulum for the galaxy M33, also known as the Triangulum Galaxy. So let's have a quick look and see where it's located in the night sky, and then we'll get on with the sketch.
M33, also known as the Triangulum Galaxy, can be found in the constellation Triangulum between the two stars Merak in Andromeda and Caput Trianguli in Triangulum. M33 is around 2.73 million light-years away and has a diameter of 60,000 light-years. This galaxy can be a hard one to find if your skies are light polluted. It is listed as a magnitude 5.7, but the surface brightness is relatively low, so it's important to factor in an object's relative size when looking at its magnitude. After observing this galaxy, I had read that a UHC filter could bring out some of the detail in this galaxy, but I didn't use one during my observation. Anyway, now that we know where we're looking, let's get on with the sketch.
M33 is relatively dim in the eyepiece. The field stars are also relatively dim. There's not a lot of very bright ones. There's some really faint ones that are really difficult to see. I'm really only catching those when I move my eye around the eyepiece. Yeah, I'm really not able to see any detail in M33. It's just a very faint smudge of cloudiness. Nothing really too crazy that's really sticking out in this. A few star patterns, straight lines, squares, and triangle shapes. The typical kind of shapes you see when you're sitting down to sketch a deep sky object. I'm not seeing any of the arms of M33. It's just like a round smudge. Really cool to see, but it's very deceiving when you look up the magnitude of this galaxy, and it seems like it should be something that you can see without any problem in the eyepiece, but since it's expanded over such a larger area, it's really faint. So I mean, you really got to pay attention to surface brightness when you're looking at galaxies. Anyway, that's about it for this sketch. Let's go have a look at the final drawing.